Today, I'm going to introduce to you a very unique lens from Leica Lens Lab. A lens that has all the characteristics of the classic Cook Speed Panchro series tool from the 1940s. It is a lens sought after for its vintage film look that captures a soft, warm look. It has a dreamy highlight when the aperture is wide open and produces a beautiful bokeh. It renders the cinematic aesthetics of all Hollywood films. Today, I'll take you to a cinematic journey in Chinatown, where the lights and warmth of the streets are beautiful and vibrant.